How to get Telegram without phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can get a Telegram account without phone number. Now, Telegram typically requires a phone number for account verification and registration. Now, this phone number is used as a unique identifier for a Telegram account and for two-factor authentications. However, there are few alternatives that some users have used to create a Telegram account without phone number. Now, ability of these methods may change over time, and it's important to follow any legal and ethical guidelines when using such method. So here's how you can do it. You can use a virtual phone number. In order to use a virtual phone number, for that you'll need to go to your Play Store and then install the app called Text Me. After that, you can see this is the one. So you need to click on the install button, install this application. Once you're done installing the application, click on the open button. So after that, click on the open button. You'll need to register for this application as well. After you register for this account, you'll be able to get a virtual phone number and you can just use it. After that, you'll be able to use the virtual phone number for a certain period of time, and once you've done that, you'll be able to create an account on your Telegram account without using your own phone number. However, apart from that, what else you can do is, if you don't want to use any of these third-party applications, you can also ask your friend's phone number for a temporary use. You can ask a trusted or a family member if you can use their phone number temporarily. So once your account is created, you can change the phone number associated with the account to your own if needed. Now, this method, what you need to do is you need to log in into your Telegram account for that. After that, it's going to direct you to this kind of page. Over here, go to the try bar icon, and here you need to go to your profile page. After that, it's going to direct you to the page where you can go and tap on the settings, and you can just change the phone number by tapping on the change button. After that, you'll be asked to verify and all that. And so these were a few of the steps on how you can use your Telegram account without a phone number or without your own phone number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.